Well, hello everyone. I'm just here today to tell you about the new 2024 RX350. One of the great things about Lexus is how safe the vehicle is. It's all about collision avoidance, of course. So you have the panoramic view, which starts with the front camera, of course. It has cameras all around the vehicle, gives you a bird's eye view, so you can always know where you're positioned. As far as long distance view, you have LED lights as well as fog lights and all-day running lights, of course, but automatic high beams as well. Now keep in mind, the 2024 RX350, the gas engine is a 2.4 liter, 275 horsepower turbo. We also have a hybrid available as well. Now you notice this particular RX350 has the F-Sport package, which comes with the 21-inch wheels. Also, we were talking about safety features earlier. This vehicle has blind spot monitoring and mirrors, has lane departure assist, also has sensors on the side of the vehicle that picks up skaters and bikers. So you open the door and make sure no one gets harmed. Now coming around to the rear of the vehicle, there's multiple ways to open the tailgate. You can open from the inside, you can open from the remote. There's also a kick sensor as well as a button up underneath the tailgate, of course. And you can adjust this different levels. So if this is too high, if it doesn't clear the garage, there's ways to lower this as well and program it so it won't be so high. Plenty of space in the cargo area. There's a package where you can release the second row with the buttons, or it can be done manually as well. Now again, we are in the S-Sport package. The difference between the S-Sport and other packages is you'll notice that the bolsters on the seats are a little bit more aggressive, and they are supposed to be like that to keep you feeling snug and give you that more sport feel. Go over some other features of the vehicle, such as the 14-inch screen, which is very clean. There's not a lot going on there. It's touch screen. You have wireless CarPlay for Apple and Android, of course. You have wireless charging, and you have factory navigation is available. I just want to say thank you for taking the time out. This was a quick walk around of the 2024 RX350. If you have any questions, please visit us here at Hennessy Lexus.